recently hit 1000 subscribers, and on that note I will give my best and honest advice for you so you can go to your next milestone or hit 1000 subscribers yourself. If you are starting out from zero, my best advice is to start before you are ready, because it doesn't matter if you don't have any videos on your channel. How can people subscribe to a channel that doesn't have any videos, or yet a channel that doesn't exist? So make sure that you're just starting out. You will not have a perfect day, a perfect moment. Just start and post your videos. Before we continue, what is your next milestone? Let me know in the comment section. Is it 100, 500, 1000, maybe 2000 subscribers? Let me know in the comment section below. So you have been posting a few videos, but you are wondering how many videos do you need in order to succeed? According to Mr. Beast, you need to post at least 100 videos in order for both you and YouTube to sort of understand what are you going to do in order to grow your channel. And though I agree with Mr. Beast, 100 videos is a good start. Don't focus on the numbers. Just post a video, improve something each time, and you will eventually see this is working, this is not working. You will present yourself better, you will have better editing, you will understand the thumbnails, you will understand the titles and why they work. Also to have in mind who are you on YouTube, because you know for a fact who you are with your friends, with your family, when you are all by yourself. But when you are on YouTube, maybe you change the way you behave in front of the camera accordingly to the audience that you're making videos for. If I was making these types of videos for kids, for example, I will sound a bit more happy. Yes, welcome to... It's important to find the right audience that will attract to your videos. But okay, you are starting your channel, but you have 0 subscribers. What do? What I did was I was asking my friends and my family, and they decided to subscribe to my channel. But keep in mind, I was gaining a lot of subscribers at the start. I was posting my first video, and my mom, my brother, some of my friends didn't even bother to watch the video. They were just subscribing to give my support. But when YouTube sees that, okay, Espion has, let's say, 40 subscribers in a few days, that's really good. And when I was posting my first video, it only got like 14 views. Then it was up to the audience that was out and about that I didn't know to find my channel and to subscribe. So keep that in mind. So here are some small tips. Number 1, post something that you really enjoy to make. Something that you know for a fact that you would like to make over and over again, and that you can continuously post on YouTube over and over. Number 2, brand your channel clearly. Make sure that your videos are not something random each time. For example, on this channel, YouTube, how to do YouTube, how to grow on YouTube, and so on and so forth. And whatever you are making, it's okay to experiment, but make sure that it's clear for the viewers what type of content you have, so they can decide, okay, this is something that I'm interested in, I might as well subscribe. Number 3, post consistently. If you're able to post once a week when you're starting out, that's really good. You don't have to be every single week, every single Monday at 4 p.m. You don't have to do that, but make sure that you just are consistent enough so people will continue to stay on your channel and stay subscribed. Number 4, quality, thumbnail, editing, title. Make sure that you are spending a lot of time on each step, because like I said before, if no one clicks the videos, they don't watch. And when they do click, if there is nothing special there, they don't want to continue to watch the video. So make sure that you put in your quality, make sure that you are delivering something that you yourself would like to watch, and that will help you out a ton. And now comes the question, how do you ask for subscribers in your videos? There's a key difference between asking and begging for subscribers. If you're able to, you can say something like this: by the way, I'm posting this type of content, insert your content, every single Monday. And if you really enjoy that type of content, please considering subscribing. That is a big difference than, hi and welcome back to a new video, subscribe please. I mean, there is a big difference. Make sure that you are providing some sort of value to those that are watching, so they can feel like they want to subscribe. If you enjoy my videos, please considering subscribing and hitting the like button. That will help me out a ton. Thank you. And of course, after you have thanked them for subscribing to your channel, now it's time to build that community. After a while, people will leave comments underneath your video. Reply to the comment, stay positive. Sometimes people ask me questions that I've already made a video of. Instead of me just linking them to the video that they have the question for, I try my best to fill out and answer the question as polite as I can, and then by the end of it, if they are willing to, they can watch the video on my channel. You have been posting some videos, and now it's time for you to take a look and review what you have done. go into your YouTube studio and try to understand it and try to figure out, why did this video work? Why didn't this video work? How can I improve? Where in the video do people drop off? Is there something that I need to change? Is there something that I need to do with my thumbnail, my title, my description? Whatever it is, where do people find my videos? Maybe it was a search term. Maybe I should look into making similar videos in the same type of search term, because that is popping off on YouTube right now. There are so many different things that you need to go on your YouTube studio, download the app on your phone and try to understand it, so you can see and understand why something is working or why something isn't working, so you can improve to the next one. And if you want to learn how you can make videos only using your phone, watch this video up next, and I will see you guys in the next one. Espion, peace out. Remember to subscribe. Bye bye. Goodbye. Bye bye.